here. Hey guys, today I have a short little one for you that's kind of like a follow-up to our last video, the youuuu wig review. And is this part of Alexa's wig series of ancient times? Sure, why not? Hello, mini wig too. Sure. But first, featured patron. Okay, we're cheating the system a little bit today because this wig trick that I'm about to show you, it was taught to me by one of my patrons, Monica, who absolutely deserves to be our featured patron today. Monica, thank you for being a friend and teaching me your crafty cosplay ways. Monica, the best. Okay, so in my last video, I got this wig from youuuu. It is the Daily Hair Lolita wig. I got the ones with the twin tails. It is $42.99. So cute. But the pigtails would not stay on. I am struggling a little bit getting it to clip into the wig. Are these different than the Libra ones? Hold on. It would not stay on. I tried so long, I tried so hard. And after a little bit of wiggy investigation, I found out it was because the clips that hold them on were like pointy. Like that. Which made it where they could not grab onto the wig. So disappointing. TLDR, the clips were crap. Sorry, but they were. So when Monica taught me how to change out the clips on the inside of the pigtails, I could not believe how easy it is. Like, could not believe. It's so easy. It takes 3 seconds. Almost like not enough to make a video for you, but then I was like, let's do a mini tutorial because it's so easy. I feel like I should tell you so that you can do it. Not be intimidated or scared about changing your wig because it's really easy. That's this video. About to save this wig. Yes! Okay, let's talk about clips. Clippies. A brief introduction to hair clips and how to replace a clip if it breaks or if it just sucks to begin with. Looking at you, buddy, looking at you. A lot of wigs that have either ponytails, pigtails, little bun attachments, ears, etc. Usually you're gonna have to attach those somehow. One way that you'll see, which is probably the most common way, is the jaw clip. These okay, that's a bad example. That's the one that's bad. There we go. Jaw clip, like this. It's basically one of these kind of clips. You can feel on the inside, like back in here, you can feel these little wing things that you press down on to open the clip. Open, stick it to the wig cap, and easy peasy, all there is to it. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me. Wow. Alrighty then. Okay. Are you watching your own tail on TV right now? Yeti. Camera. The Yeti. Come here. Well, my little display, you know, whatever. Clips. So if you want to replace a clip that is either low quality or broken, damaged, whatever, first you gotta find yourself a clip that you like. A good quality, good crossover clip. Springs and little hinges feel nice and strong kind of clip. A nicer clip. Presenting. No, you can feel when they're nicer quality when you just hold them in the store or whatever. You can tell. I also like these kind of clips that are flat on the bottom because you can get them really close up against, like flush against the wig cap, but I only have these in the smaller ones right now. So how do I get this guy into here? It is so unbelievably easy. You're not even going to believe it. That's exactly what unbelievable means, Alexa. Oh my God. Okay. Let me get you real close here. So when you open it up, you can see that the claws, is that what they're called? The claws of the clip are just fed through this net. It's nothing too fancy. It's just fed through there. It's literally all it is. And then the net is just tightened down by this elastic band, which is basically just a simpler version of this kind of clip, which people ask me about these all the time. They're always like, what is this string? What is this inside of my ponytail? And what this is for is so that you can loosen it up, loosen this part, loosen the whole cap net thing, and then just slide it off of the clip. If you wanted to put this straight into your hair, like if you wanted to tighten this net over your bun or like your pigtails, your ponytails, whatever, without the clip, you could do that a lot easier. It's a good way to secure it to your natural hair, or maybe you prefer to attach your wigs that way. I don't know what you like to do. I don't often use that, so I usually just will stick it back inside like that, and then clip as usual. Hopefully that clears up the string for you guys a little bit. I get so many questions about that. But since this one doesn't have the little slidey thing, I'm going to untie the elastic at the end here. You may not have to, it depends on how much like slack or leeway give, whatever your specific ponytail has. Okay. And we should be able to, yeah, see, you can loosen that a lot more now. And you just slide the net up off of the clip like that. See, that side's off and that side's on. And then once you got that side off, soup's easy to take the second side off. You can just slide it right off like that. It isn't like glued on there or anything like that. It's just these fingers of this clip that are just fed through the net. Like, that's all it is. It's so easy. Once you have your little ponytail freed from the jaws of doom over here, you can get your clip that you prefer, your nicer, stronger, whatever clip you like better, and you just stick it. You just feed it back through the holes in the net. Pull this around. And you just feed it back through like that. You just gotta make sure that you're not you're not holding the net part that you're trying to pull up. And you got yourself a new fancy clip. You could pull that elastic back through to tighten it up down here, but there's so little down here that I don't really think it matters. I don't think it's worth the effort to do that. If you had a lot of extra cap down here, like if you used a little clip like this, I would definitely want to pull it back tight to keep it all together, but since this is like, clip actually fits like super well in here, so I don't think that we really need to do that. Like, oh my god, look at this, you guys, look. Look at how awful that looks. And how satisfying and beautiful and strong that looks. Like, what a difference, and like so easy and fast to replace it. These ponytails were truly like unwearable like this. Like, they were just sliding out of my hair. I mean, look at it from the side. Well, of course it's not gonna stay in your hair. What is wrong with that? This guy? Def going to stay there. It's actually a pretty beginner level thing, which I was really surprised about, because usually when you get into like modding wigs, like making customized changes and stuff, it can get pretty complicated and pretty advanced like very quickly. But this is so simple. It's literally just a matter of taking it off one clip and putting it on another. Like, it takes 2 seconds. It's so easy. Oh, so what I was saying earlier also too, while I have this all disassembled, this one, the elastic string that I was talking about, like using this little slidey guy to open this up and put it into your hair without a clip. Basically, now that this one is off, like if this was your bun, Yeti, hi. Like, you could put it around your bun like this, and then tighten the elastic so it holds onto your hair without a clip, more like a hair tie or something. Also, you could tuck this top part in so it is more like this one, which can give it a more natural, like if the wig is here, like a more natural little bump out of it. So you're less at risk of seeing this clip. Okay, so this time I'm gonna thread it to incorporate some of the hairline up here to pull it in like that. Maybe let's actually rethread the elastic too, just to be thorough. I am I am going to replace this elastic that came in here with a longer piece to accommodate, basically it's like a hair tie, if you guys can see that, to accommodate our slightly larger clip and to be able to tighten it back down. Because when they're cut to size exactly like this one, it's hard to take them on and off without having to replace it each time. So I'm going to put some new elastic around the outside. This is, by the way, totally not like necessary for this, this wig mod. You could just do what we already did and just like lace it through, call it a day. But since we're here, since we're making a video about the ponytails, might as well go all out, right? Right? So I just had this like big piece of elastic just in my drawer from another project, so I think I will just use this. You just run this elastic along here. There's a little like, a little path in there, a little pocket that the old elastic followed, so it's really easy to just thread it right through. Once you get up into the hair, if you kind of part it a little bit, you can see, just follow the path that's already there. Okay, so now we have added new elastic. Okay, hold on, zooming back in, hi. We've added new elastic that goes around the perimeter of the little cappy cap. So this time when I put it through, I'm going to put it up a little bit higher into the hair so that it grabs that top bit. Like that. Pull her around here. Up into the hair again on this side. So that when we close it, it has this nice little top to it up here. See what I mean? And now because we replaced the elastic with a longer piece, we can just pull her tight like that. See? Now there's nothing on the bottom anymore. And I'm just going to knot that off. If you have no plans of like ever taking this back off of the clip or taking it off to put it in your hair or whatever, you can go ahead and trim this elastic all the way down so that you don't have any like long strings or anything. You can also leave them long so that you can just untie it and loosen it up, tighten it back down, all of that kind of stuff without having to re-thread the elastic every time. So I'm gonna leave mine long and just do what we did with the other one, is to just tuck the excess elastic strings up into the clip like that, and then you're solid, you're golden. Look at her, she's beautiful. Like I said, if you're just trying to do a basic like swap out one clip for a better clip, you don't have to do like the whole like relacing the elastic, all of that kind of stuff. You can definitely get by without doing the extra step, but adding the elastic takes you from this with the extra little bit down here to this and have it all like tightened up, all neat around your clippy. Remember, nobody's gonna see this part of the ponytail. They're seeing this. And from the outside, you can't tell one way or the other which one is which. So now the test, will these stay in my wig? What do you think, Yeti? What do you think? Ooh, nice transition. Oh my god. It's so cute. I wanted this wig for the high pony look. Like, these could be two pigtails too, but I really wanted it for a very cute high pony bob. Oh my god. It's so cute. Oh my god, it's precious. It's so cute. Dude, look. I'm so happy with how this turned out, and I'm psyched because This is like a fairly beginner kind of wig mod. Most of the mods that we do are like very permanent, like when you give a wig a haircut or if you like take wefts out, etc, etc. So it can be kind of scary or like kind of advanced. This one is super easy. It is not permanent. You can do it as many times as you want to practice. You can always take it back out. You can take it out, put it back in, take it out, put it in, take it out, put it in, as many times as you want. It's not permanent. It's a great way to experiment with modding a wig in a much less scary way, which I think is awesome. And now this wig is 100,000,000 times better because I can wear it the way I want to, which is in this high pony because it's so cute. And it's like so much stronger, so much stronger. How does it look to you guys? How is it? Is she going to pass the bounce test? I guess we could find out. Bounce test. How is she? Oh, frazzled. She's frazzled, but the pony is perfectly intact. Yes! I would say this is a great success. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Monica. I cannot thank you enough for teaching me this trick. A very, very important part of our community. Monica, you're amazing. And yeah, if you guys have more wig questions, you want to see more wig videos from times past, there is a playlist. I'll link the playlist like here and in the end card and whatever. It'll be around. It's old though. Bear with me. Weird. Alexa. She's only gotten weirder. Okay. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. I love you. Bye. Mwah. Mwah. I just want to swing my pony. She can handle it now. Ooh, these look like sunglasses. Like, I feel like I should be a superhero. Oh my god, that's kind of cute. Like a kawaii hero mask. Now I just can't move while I'm saving the world. What do you think? Would watch. Would watch. Alright, bye you guys. Bye.
Oh, you're so sweet. Probably shouldn't be sitting on a table with scissors. Not as dangerous for a new kitty. Isn't it? Uh-oh, Yeti belly. Yeti belly. Belly cat. Yeti the belly cat.